just walked out of the house and just look. I mean, we're ignoring this part, but just look. It's like, oh, I'll do it when we get back because it's got soils come out of it as well. That was a mistake on my part, really, because I refilled the soil yesterday, not thinking, of course, it tips over all the time. It's just so neat and tidy. I mean, that whole corner looks crazy. So neat and tidy, all clean. I'm gonna get a rug for this. I painted the tile. It's not a good idea. And then here, I can't even begin to tell you. I should have taken a picture because there's just been stuff piled here for years, actually years. Also, we haven't put that green box out in about 3 years, so we should probably do that. Yeah, wow, all worth it. Lee pointed out the comparison of this is what it would have looked like. This is what it looks like now. Oh, just glorious. Honestly, it looks twice the size, which is kind of crazy, but I'm looking forward to it. When we get back later, I'm going to sort this out, and then if it's sunny and it's nice, actually I'll put these out so that they drain the water off them. If it's sunny and it's nice, we'll sit in the garden this afternoon. That'd be nice. It's just been so windy. A couple of people messaged me and asked if the garden had survived overnight. Fair question. Come on, just stay up. Because it has been crazy, but it's also really sunny. So when the wind calms down a bit, it's nice. I was looking yesterday at tables because, you know, girl math, I'm going to get a table now for IKEA. And I think I'd quite like, you know, like an outdoor storage box so that I can put all of the cushions, because we've never put the cushions away, but just so I can put all of the cushions away when we're not using them, so that they'll last us longer. That's what I like. And I saw a nice one on Habitat yesterday that was kind of green. It's an odd one. If an American wanted to know what the difference between Marks and Spencer's and like a normal food shop would be, I would say it's like this. This is what the difference is. Really specific things. Stuff like this. Fancy stuff. Now, I really wish that I liked IPA. I mean, even this one. Nothing about that actually appeals to me. But the packaging is so cool. Oh my god, it's Delacour. Delacour. If you know, you know. This looks so fancy. I mean, it's falling apart, but it does. And then look at this. It's just the nicest pre-prepared sandwich you've ever seen. My damp hair has now been styled by the wind. The cheese scones from Marks and Spencer's though. So good. I'm gonna have this and then swing by Starbucks. It's giving early 2000s emo fringe. It's definitely. So we've been for our Starbucks. And now we're gonna go home. So on the way back, we went to Tesco, and outside our Tesco, we've got a charity shop. So I went in and I got this for £7.50. Ignore the fact that it says it's a size 6, which apparently it is. I tried it on in the shop and I thought, I think I can get away with this open, because I wouldn't close it anyway, because I'd want it to be kind of like short on me. What do you think?
I like it. It looks good. It's a bargain.
Weirdly bunchy there, but
No,
I mean, I know it says, I think maybe it's supposed to be bigger. It's supposed to be like a larger thing, because this is not a 6. Not if it was supposed to be
I think it looks
like
nice.
a little mama jacket.
Yeah.
But I like them like this, and it's hard to find that fit really nicely. Yeah, I like it. £7.50. I also bought, in random purchases of the day, this record for £1. So I'm gonna go and put it on the record player. Milo's gonna come downstairs.
Nice one.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Milo's gonna come downstairs and be like, what is this fantastic music?
Oh,
I must dance immediately. This is not the same record. This is not this record. It's a different record inside. Leah's just reminded me I got 2 of these from Marks and Spencer because they were in the sale. So I thought I'll have one for lunch and one for dinner. They are absolutely amazing. So it's completely raw, totally fresh. Usually I always say to the kids, like, when they're like, is this cooked enough or whatever, most ready meals, they just need to be reheated. It wouldn't taste good, but you'd be fine if you ate it straight from the pack. This is the only one I've ever seen that says needs cooking for obvious reasons, but it goes in for like, what, 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes? And it is perfectly cooked and it's a proper dinner. Look at this. It is just one of the most delicious ready meals in existence, honestly. Okay, we moved all the stuff. I moved these things over there so me and Manny could sit in the sun earlier. Then it started raining, hilariously. But we moved all the stuff. This is going to be our space. And now we're going to IKEA. I don't know how I've swung this. Lee hates IKEA. It's a weird shop. He doesn't like going shopping. He really doesn't like IKEA. It's like, it's quite late on a Sunday, but how do you feel about going to IKEA? Apparently, both boys are feeling generous today. So we're going to IKEA just to try out the furniture that I think I'm going to get. There's a particular table and a bench that I'd like to go there. We'll see. See you in IKEA. I really thought we'd taken us a wild goose chase here because it's taken us this long to actually find right at the very end. Now they have only got the small one, is the thing. And I really wanted to see the size. That's not the bench. That's a storage bench. But this is like the small version of the table that I want. So I actually bought another one of the grey chairs from IKEA. They've changed all the Bornholm, is it called? Bornholm. They've changed all the grey IKEA. Oh, that was freaking me out a little bit. I'm going to move away from the window. Does anybody else not like, you know, like a dark window? You can't see out of it. And I could just see something moving directly in front of it, but I couldn't see what it was. I'm sure it was just the wind. I don't like it. And I'm in the room with it now, which is making me uneasy. Let's go into the utility where it's less creepy. And further away from that door. I had seen online that they changed all the Bornholm furniture to white instead of grey, which is fine. I really like that. I was actually thinking of getting one of the white chairs, so we've got 3, and then painting the other 2, the grey ones that we've already got, because they could do with like redoing anyway. Then when we got there, they had a couple of bits of the grey Bornholm stuff in like clearance. So I bought one of the chairs that we've already got. So now we've got 3. And I found a dining table and bench, which is just beautiful, from Vida Excel, I want to say. I'll link it for you below the one I've bought. And then obviously I'll show you when it arrives. But if it's as nice as it looks online, I'm excited, because there was one in IKEA that was much, much more expensive. And it was like kind of chevron-y pattern. And I even sat at it and said to Lee, this is the one I really like, but I'm just not prepared to pay that money. And for the same price, I got the table and the bench. So fingers crossed. And it's a big one as well. I really, really like it. So what I did when we got home from IKEA is I was mostly making pots. These are ones that, in fact, should we do a little ASMR demoulding? Because it sounds fantastic. Ready? Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Also, for those people who have asked us before if we'll do refills of these pots, the reason we won't do refills is that's not a perfect circle. Every single one is slightly different. So it would be impossible to offer a refill because they are all just slightly different. So I've been making these pots in serious volume. And bearing in mind I've only got 4 moulds. So 4 at a time, takes half an hour to set. It was a long time. Some of these I'd already made yesterday, but I'd made a lot this afternoon, this evening. It was a lot. It's like 12:30 now. I actually didn't end up having tea because I was so full still from lunch. So I'm just going to risk it and eat. I'm near the weird window again. I don't like it. Let's leave this room, shall we? Let's leave it. Lee thinks I'm so weird, but stuff just stays with you, you know? Stays with you. What was I even saying? I'm going to risk it and eat that ready meal that I got from IKEA. No, I didn't get it from IKEA. I got it from Marks and Spencer. It's so late. I'm going to risk it and eat it tomorrow because, I mean, it's Marks and Spencer, so it'll be good tomorrow, right? It'll be fine. Anyway, that's a wrap for today. Couple of big purchases, actually. But it'll all come good when our garden feels Nora Ephron-esque this summer.